Hello guys, today I will discuss about how can you find pH or pOH in a very easy way. So let's see some type. So first one is finding pH from the concentration. How you can find pH from the concentration in any kinds of solution like nitric acid or sulfuric acid. So let's see. So here I have mentioned 0.001 molar nitric acid and 0.0001 molar nitric acid. What will be the pH? In case of these types of math, just you have to remember one thing, count the digits after the decimal point. You will find the pH very easily. So in case of the first one, if we count the number from the decimal point, after the decimal point, so we can see that 1 2 3, okay, 3 digit is here, so our pH is 3. Okay, then 0.0001 molar nitric acid, in case of this our pH will be 4 because here 4 digit is present. Then finding pOH from the concentration, it is just like pOH, you can do it yourself. Then our next type is type 3, pH or pOH from the power. So what you have to remember is, see the power of the concentration. Here the power is 2. Okay, here the power is 2, we have to write the pH is 2. So why 2? Because we know that the formula of the pOH or pH is minus logarithm of the molar concentration of hydroxyl ion. So here we can see the minus is also present. So if we multiply minus and minus, it will be plus. So our value will be 2. Then in case of 10 to the power 3 inverse molar sulfuric acid, what it will be? So in case of that, our concentration is 10 to the power 3 inverse mole. Okay, but here the valency of the sulfate is 2, so we have to multiply it with 2. So our value is 2 to the power 3 inverse molar. Okay, so what will be the pH? So it is very simple. pH is equal to the minus logarithm of the molar concentration of the hydrogen ion. So put the value here, 2 into 10 to the power. Okay, so calculate the value. So here I have taken the calculator, so you should also take. So calculate the value, minus log of 2 into 10 to the power 3 inverse. Okay, so here the value is 2.69897. so it is very big, just write 2.7 here, but if you want to take some more digits, you can also take. Then our last type is finding pH from the percentage value. If the value is given in a percentage, or if the concentration is given in a percentage, how can you find the pH or pOH from the solution? So here the formula for the percentage is, if it is for molar hydrogen ion or molar hydroxyl ion, so the formula is percentage multiplied by 10 divided by molar mass. So here M is indicate for the molar mass of the solution. So here just put the value. So here our percentage value is 2.5 2.5 into 10. So molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. So what it will be? 25 divided by 40. 25 divided by 40 is 0.625. Okay, 0.625. So we have to find out the pH. So sorry, pOH minus log of 0.625. Okay. So log of 0.625 is 0.2041. Okay. 0.2041. Here put the value 0.204. You can write 0.204 also. So that's all about how can you find pH or pOH in a very easy way. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.